Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will review this 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen special for Honda Accord 8th generation. Okay, let me unbox review this shipping box. And then let me open the box. It comes with a special cable and harness and this head unit screen. Okay, let me show harnesses first. You can check this special power harness and speakers. And this canvas decoder box. Okay, this audio cable, you can check connect back head unit and AUX left and right output RC type, and this CVBS input, so video out RC type, and this 12 voltage wire. This OEM factory plug you can check. Honda Accord 8. Okay, this connect back head unit, this power connection back, and this AUX input, their input AUX, and this camera reserve wire, and this 12 voltage amplifier. Okay. This connects the decoder canvas box. Let me check. You can check this connect the canvas box decoder, and this GPS antenna, and this 4G antenna, this built-in 4G antenna you can check, and this external microphone, and this USB. This is the camera wire, you can check. This is camera input. This brake wire do not need to connect. This camera 12 voltage and IR. And there are two USB cable. And this 4G antenna, this SIM card slot, 4G SIM card slot, you can check. And external microphone, this subwoofer, you can check subwoofer. And AUX input, left and right, front and rear, left and right AUX input. And this CVBS input AMP wire. Okay. This head unit screen. Okay, you can check. This 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and Wi-Fi antenna. This radio antenna. This power fuse, and this connects to the cables. Let me connect power cable. Okay, head unit will be started. Okay, you can check this head unit. This Google Play Store YouTube. Let me check the settings. This Wi-Fi. SIM card slot, display, USB. These settings. Very fast response. Language, this language, you can change the language, YouTube, and this wireless sample, CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, App Store, you can download this DSP amplifier. Its volume, you can adjust music. YouTube. This Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. Google account. These settings you can log Google. And this video you can play it by video cable. You can connect the Wi-Fi. Connecting the Wi-Fi, okay. Very fast response. You can visit our website, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website to contact to us. You can connect wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Bluetooth. It's built in the Bluetooth, and you can stream in music from your phone. It's Bluetooth, it's music, it's settings. And you can check out the website. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Okay, that's all. Thank you.